Cast on 44 stitches. Work 36 rows with stockinette stitches. Work the knit stitches and join the row in the circle, transferring them on the circular needles. And continue knit 23 rows with knit stitches. Count 11 stitches from both sides and place the stitch markers. The first row, work knit stitches till the marker. The last 2 stitches till the marker, work through the back loop together. Transfer the stitch marker and work 2 stitches together through the front loop. Work the remained stitches and knit stitches till the marker and repeat again the decrease. The second row, work without the decreases, just knit stitches. Work in this way, alternating the first and the second rows till you get 24 stitches on the needles. Make a decrease in each row till the marker and after the marker. On the knitting needles you must remain 8 stitches, transfer them on the needle and tighten them. Sew the back.